If you're doing your driving test in Mirrabooka, this is one of the common places where they might take you to do your exercise, left something behind. Most candidates find it really difficult because it's very steep and there are lots of cars and it's very narrow as well. So, you know, navigating between the cars when they do the exercise, left some behind, and trying to make the, trying to park the car at the right spot can be sometimes a bit difficult. It's in St Andrews in Dianella, so it's just kind of off Yerigan Drive. I'll drop the pin on Google down in the description below, and you can come and visit. So it's really, really steep. And a lot of times people get confused, as to whether they should park before or after the cars that are parked, and this can be packed. There are lots of cars around here parked all the time. Also, there's a fire hydrant clearly here, and it's marked here on the curb as well, which means there's a water box there where the fire trucks need to have access in case of an emergency. So never park on the top of the fire hydrant. So if you come down here, just make sure that you got plenty of practice in the area. Make sure you can use your handbrake properly, particularly if you're driving a manual transmission vehicle. And then obviously you're going to be much better prepared to do your driving assessment here in Mirrabooka area. As much as it can seem difficult, with a lot of practice, I'm sure you're going to be fine. Don't think that they took you here on purpose to fail you. It is legal for them to take you anywhere they like, particularly if it's within the reasonable amount of distance from the Department of Transport. We also have questions from public whether we should indicate in and out around every single car that's parked on the side of the road. So that will depend on the distance between those two cars. If they are not too far apart, we can simply just indicate once and pass 2 or 3 cars at a time. But if they're further apart, say 20, 30, 50 meters, yes, sometimes, particularly if there's traffic from opposite direction, we may need to use indicators and, obviously look at the mirror and check the blind spot each time you do it. So have a lot of practice in the area. That way you're definitely going to be able to execute all the tasks to the standard, and that way obviously you're going to be stressed out less, days leading to your driving assessment. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.